Welcome, automation enthusiasts. Today we are going to learn how to download Pycharm, how to install it, and how to run your first Python script in Pycharm. So let's get started. The first step is to open a web browser. I will open Google Chrome. Go to Pycharm website by typing www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. Then press enter. You will notice that Pycharm is available in two editions: a paid professional edition with additional features, and a free and open community edition. Select the operating system and click on the download button. Wait for the download to finish. Then open the file in which the executable was downloaded. Double-click Pycharm executable file to start the installation process. Do you want to allow Pycharm to make changes to your device? Click on Yes. Select the desired installation location or leave it as default. Then click Next. Choose the installation option, such as creating a desktop shortcut. Then click Next. Now we are ready to install Pycharm. Click on Install. Once the installation is complete, click on Finish. Now that Pycharm has been installed, let's launch it. Double-click on Pycharm icon. Make sure to review the license agreement. Click on Continue. Now we are on Pycharm welcome page. The Learn tab will get you more familiar with the shortcut, feature, and workflow that the IDE has to offer. Now we have a plugin. What is a plugin? A plugin is a computer software that adds new functions to the host program without altering the host program itself. So you can add additional plugins if you want. Customize your IDE appearance. You can decide to apply a white color or to leave the default one, the dark color. On the welcome screen, click Create a new project. In the New Project window, select the project location by clicking on the folder icon, or leave the default path as it is. Make sure you have already installed Python, otherwise I will add a link in the description so you can install Python. Then, if Python is already installed, it will be automatically displayed in the base interpreter. Uncheck Create a main.py because we will add our own Python file. I will rename my project Then I will click on Create. Pycharm, we create a project structure and open the project in the main workspace. If you want to create your first Python file, just right-click on the project name, then click on New, then click on Python file. Add a name to your Python file, then press Enter. After creating our file, we will try to open the terminal. Click on the terminal icon. In the editor, we will add a print statement. We will print Hello World. To execute our file, we will click on the Run icon above. As you can see, our text appears now in the terminal. We will update our text, then we are going to print it again. Just double click on your Python file and then choose Run plus the name of your file.